Welcome to Libertex. Could Cardano 10x in the short term? The Cardano price forecast has been increasingly bullish as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other top cryptocurrencies break past all-time highs. At the current prices, Cardano is now the sixth largest cryptocurrency in the world with a market cap of over $32 billion. This video will cover the Cardano 2021 price forecast, as well as the latest news and developments that could pose as major catalysts for Cardano in 2021. Towards the end of the video, we'll examine the Cardano chart and take a look at the next resistance and support levels for Cardano to get a better understanding of what potential bull and bear case scenarios could look like. To help us create more content about Cardano going forward, we'd highly appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community of traders and investors. Lastly, to trade Cardano, as well as the other top cryptocurrencies, stocks, FX pairs, and more, head over to Libertex.com and create a trading account in seconds. So without further ado, let's talk Cardano. Cardano has been on a tear since the start of 2021, and in February, Cardano broke $1 for the first time since January of 2018. Its all-time high back in January of 2018 was around $1.30, and many in the Cardano ecosystem are very bullish about breaking through this to new all-time highs, with some predictions going to $30 by the end of 2021. Year to date, Cardano has risen by an astounding 496% from less than 5 cents in early 2020. Launched in 2017, Cardano is a fully open source project with the aim to establish a public blockchain for the use of smart contracts. The associated Cardano cryptocurrency is referred to as ADA, its ticker symbol, but they are often referred to each other interchangeably. To coincide with the crypto resurgence the markets are experiencing to kick off 2021, there are a number of new developments and catalysts unique to Cardano that are beginning to come to fruition. Not only is Bitcoin continuing its push to the moon, bringing the other cryptocurrencies along for the ride, but there are many rumors of big whales and institutional buyers that could be taking major positions in Cardano soon. One of the most exciting rumors circulating amongst Cardano traders is the potential for Grayscale, currently the world's largest crypto asset manager, to adopt a major fund for the token. In addition to the possibility of greater interest from institutions, more news broke out in February after Gene Simmons, the lead singer of KISS, announced that he purchased $300,000 worth of Cardano, which helped generate some more traction for the coin as it broke resistance and moved past the fabled $1 mark. Aside from the potential of bigger players taking an interest in Cardano, the asset itself seems positioned for a potential bull run with its roadmap, showcasing that big things are in store for the rest of 2021. A new wallet update was released on February 17th, which effectively brings native token support for Cardano and positions the coin well for successive planned updates that ultimately lead to smart contracts, prompting some bullish Cardano traders to state that the coin could have more potential than Ethereum. Many of these updates are speculated to take place in 2021, and the next update phase, known as Goguin, could take place as early as March 2021. This new phase will shift some of the focus after successful decentralization to expanding to wider audiences with key partnerships and further integrating and developing the smart contract feature that could take Cardano into a new league. Let's jump into the technical analysis for Cardano to see where Cardano is currently trading and where it may go from here throughout 2021. Alright, we are now in the Libertex terminal looking at the technical chart for Cardano, where we can see the impressive breakout it has had since the start of the year. Furthermore, Cardano is in a clear rising trend channel right here, and coming close to all-time highs. This recent rally got up to about 1.19 before losing some momentum that we are experiencing across the crypto market as a whole, as Bitcoin cools slightly from its recent run to $57,000. The good news is not only that Cardano has reached these levels recently, but that it has managed to close and open at these levels as well. The main resistance point that we are looking at from here that Cardano needs to get past to support a further bull run past all-time highs to around the 1.50 range currently can be found around 1.2015 right here. And then onward, if it breaks this, the next resistance level we'd want to be looking at is right around 1.3. This 1.3 resistance level will be validated if Cardano can maintain support around this 1.2 level and avoid a big sell-off or pullback, which we may be experiencing at the moment on February 22nd. For now, however, many are taking the dips as buying opportunities to establish positions in this new channel ahead of the next potential catalyst. Some heavy support can be found right around 0.6780 here, and failure to stay above this level could pause the real momentum we're seeing in this new channel at the current moment. Looking outward for the rest of 2021, Cardano predictions are all over the map, but at the moment are heavily bullish. It's unlikely that $100 could happen this year, as that would give Cardano a valuation of nearly $3 trillion, which is a far cry from the $32 billion it currently hovers around. However, $5, even $10, certainly possible given the momentum we have seen and the increased interest. But the trend will have to keep this energy to break past 1.50 and beyond in the short term. What are your honest thoughts about Cardano? And will you be buying in for 2021? Join the conversation with our analysts by leaving a comment below. And to trade Cardano, as well as the other top cryptocurrencies, head over to Libertex.com and make your account today. For more updates on Cardano, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for the latest weekly content from inside the markets. Trade for more with Libertex. Thanks for watching.